Hey, how's it going? This is Daniel, and I hope you're listening to what I'm saying because I have something of extraordinary value coming your way. Now, if you're in this group, you probably are a business owner who wants to bring more customers to your through your door, of course, right? That's what we all do. And actually, that's what I do. I have a marketing agency. Me and my co-founder, Christy Setticase, we have a marketing agency, and we help people bring customers to your door. But I'm not here to talk about ourselves. I'm not here to talk about our company. I'm here to give you something of value. And that is a little tutorial that I recorded a couple weeks ago with my co-founder Christy, and we show how important is for you as a business owner to use the Google My Business page, which is something for free that Google gives you. It's a very nice tool that you should be using in order to bring more customers your way. So, after I say all that stuff, finally, here's the video. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Please put in the comment if you liked it and if you want more comment, more content like this, and of course, I'll bring it more your way. So have a good one, and I hope you enjoy. Yes, this is Daniel Carbonel, and I am your host for the Smart Local Connect podcast, and I am here with my co-host Christy Setticase and co-founder at Smart Local Connect. And today we're going to be talking about why Google My Business is so important to your local business. Now, before Christy join us, just a quick reminder that if you would love to finally have in place a rock solid marketing strategy for your business that provides you with an excellent and ongoing return on investment, just go ahead and sign up for a free 30-minute discovery call to discuss with us how the Smart Local Connect marketing program can be custom tailored to your specific needs and business. So just take your time and go to smartlocalconnect.com/discovery to arrange, of course, your free, no obligation 30-minute discovery call. Again, just go to smartlocalconnect.com/discovery. Now, Christy Setticase, once again, is our co-host and co-founder here at Smart Local Connect. Christy, how are you doing today?
Daniel, hi. Doing great.
Awesome, awesome. So let's start with what is the Google My Business page. All right. So I think it's important for us to define what is my Google My Business page, of course. So I would like to say that first of all, is a free business directory listing. Do you have anything to say about that, Chris?
Well, if you think back to probably maybe 8, 10 years ago, the directory listing that everyone is familiar with are the yellow pages. And the white
Exactly,
pages.
exactly.
Those
Yes.
big books. Now, was it free? No. So Google has actually put together a tool. They created a business tool to manage businesses' online presence across Google, including search and maps in your local community.
Exactly. I would say that also is an instant connection with your potential customers, so you can view your services at a glance, of course, and is how you get found by more customers. Again, this is a free tool that Google is giving you, is giving to every business owner.
Yes.
To be found, and it's amazing that actually we can take advantage of this option that Google is giving us and is giving you. And I think it would be silly to not to use it, right? What else is the Google My Business page?
Well, let's talk about how to find yourself so you can actually get a bird's eye view of it.
Exactly.
Okay, so to find your business, you're going to log onto the computer and enter your name in the Google search information. And so then your business will show up with possibly a map as to the location of your business. If pictures have been found by Google or if they've been uploaded by you, because you already know about this, you'll see that. And then if lucky, you'll even have some reviews to the right side of the page.
You're right, exactly. Now, again, Google is the dominant force online, of course, for areas of search. Therefore, it is a must to take advantage of this free resource, right?
It's a no-brainer.
Definitely a no-brainer. Now, some examples of the what is my Google business page. Once you Google your probably your business name, you're gonna find something like this, where there's a little description of your business, probably the location of your business, the time of the times that your business is open, the operator hours, if you have any special hours as well, and some other information. So this is kind of like an example of what is uh, my business page, right? Google My Business page. Now, also you're gonna find if many people right now are using cell phones, right? And of course, um, a lot of people, most of us, especially here in the United States, you all have a smartphone, right? And when you want to find a business or you're looking for a service, you're gonna look into your phone, Google it, and this is what you're gonna show. It's gonna show a way for you to probably be found, right? So you have a button for to call. You have some directions. They can share your business, and you can actually get to your website as well with like maybe the stars of the reviews. So it's important to have that. Now, Google My Business page also is going to give you probably an option for questions, for your customers to ask you questions so you can interact with them. You can also find probably the reviews. We're going to talk about that in a second here. And now I think that the next question would be, why is Google My Business page so important to your business? So why is Google My Business page so important?
Well, it's your visibility to people searching you online, in a Google search result and in Google Maps. So if you have a presence, you're going to have a really good chance of gaining new customers.
Very nice. Yeah, exactly. Now, Google results can be such a dominant factor in a searcher's decision that may not look any further than the organic search. These are your potential customers. It is an instant connection with you where potential customers can view your services as a glance. Now, in my case, particularly, of course, if somebody talk to me about a new service or a movie or anything, I'm gonna look into my phone, check it out, and probably not go further than that. Just that first search is gonna give me all I need pretty much to go and see if I want to look for that business or not. Now, what else? Why is Google My Business so important?
Well, it's what you're about. It's your business's personality. Like we saw on the slide, it's your phone number. It has your operating hours, your business category, your map to your physical location, link to your website, and your customer reviews.
Exactly.
It's a snapshot of who you are.
Very nice, very nice. Yeah, exactly. Now I heard that, or actually look it up, right? And I found this guy, Matt Katz, which is number 11, I think, in Google. He takes care of, I think, spamming and other stuff. And he says that an alarming 70% of businesses have inaccurate business listings, which is just mind blowing to me. And like we're talking about how important it is and how important it is for you to have your Google My Business page and so it can be found. And 70% of businesses have inaccurate business listing, which means that probably your business hours are wrong, or probably your contact information, your address, your physical address, or your phone number are wrong. You're really gonna be missing opportunities to be found, and of course make the next sale or acquire a new customer.
Yes.
Now, Google determines where you show up in search results by gathering all the information pertaining to your business and running their algorithms. So, the accuracy and amounts of content is critical to your online presence. Now, I want to go to the process of claiming and verifying your Google listing, because I think that if you're a business owner, you got to pass through this process. You need to claim and verify your Google listing. So the process is going to be something like this.
Okay, so first you're going to log on to search for your business in Google. And basically, a link or a button will show up that says that verify your business. So you're going to click that link, and at that time, you'll have the ability to correct or change most of your information. It's almost like you're owning it now on Google. And then in a week or so, you're going to receive a postcard from Google. It's going to contain a PIN number on it. So you log back into Google My Business and enter that PIN number in there. And from that time on, you now have the ability to enhance the story of your business. You can upload photos, you can add more business details and descriptions. And like we know, Google loves content. So the more you enhance it, the more your listing comes up, which puts you in front of more potential customers.
Exactly. That's very well said. Now, do you need to make sure that your posts are up to date? Well, I think that's definitely right. I think you just mentioned that Google loves content, so it's important for you to share content. Maybe share some blog posts as well. Maybe some business news, and of course special offers. Um, Now we mentioning about customer reviews and feedback. We're gonna go into touch that a little bit more as well just now. When What is the importance of customer reviews?
What's the weight that customers reviews carry? Um, when they're reviewing you online, it's paramount to the success of your business. Before it's more word of mouth, but now when so many people looking up organic searches on Google might or Google just to find businesses, then your reviews and how anyone sees you is right there in front of them, and they base their decisions more so on that.
Exactly. I heard that 61% of people look to customer reviews to determine if they want to go to a business. In my case, if I see, let's say, if I want to buy a book or I want to buy something, I want to go to a restaurant, and if I look at the reviews, and of course the review says 3 stars out of 5, probably is not going to be the one that I choose, right? So we actually really trust on other people's opinion
We do.
to decide, if it's something that we like to try or we like to buy or we like to be in relationship with. So I think the importance of customer reviews is definitely paramount to your success. Now, we gonna talk for sure in another episode because it deserves an entire episode to talk about this and how you can actually implement some strategies to make better reviews for your business
or to even just get people
to
to get
get
on there
reviews.
and
Exactly.
give you a review.
Sometimes you don't even have a review. No,
Right.
you need to have a definitely strategy in place.
Yeah, and according to Yelp, 30 customers is the cost to a business for a bad review, and that's huge.
That means definitely the feedback is heavy. If you have a couple of bad reviews, that can really put you down probably. So it's important to have a review strategy.
So stay in front of your reviews. You can't control what people are saying, but you can use it in your favor.
Definitely, you can use it on your favor. Now, final thoughts. Let's talk about the final thoughts that we have about Google My Business page. What is the probably the first one, the most important? It would be avoid unnecessary mistakes.
Keep your information up to date.
Exactly.
And go and claim your business
Exactly.
on Google. And then rather than setting up a new account, do your research, claim your existing account, because by having two, you're actually going to be confusing.
Exactly. And it's actually very difficult once, let's say, if you have already a Google My Business page and you're not aware of it, and you go and open a whole new, and then you're gonna have a duplicate. And I found that actually to go and communicate with Google and try to figure out and try to erase one, and it's very difficult, and you're gonna put a lot of time consuming, and it's gonna be very difficult. So avoid those unnecessary mistakes, and of course claim your existing account. Now, this is a powerful tool that Google has made as an opportunity to gain customers and drive traffic to your business. So, not taking the time to making your Google My Business page complete, up to date, and accurate is a huge mistake. So, I know there's a lot of people out there that probably don't want to take the time because it's time consuming. So, make sure you find somebody who can do it for you, or try to uh, uh, find a person probably who can help you, so you can make sure that everything is well set up, accurate, and in a tidy manner, right? All right, I can see we're out of time. Just a reminder that if what we're talking about today makes sense to you and you are not quite sure how to get started, or you prefer just to have someone else taking care of this for you, you are not alone. All right. So all you need to do is to go to smartlocalconnect.com/discovery to again arrange that free discovery call so you know that it's going to be done right and quick and you can see those or those customers maybe a little faster.
Yes, and bottom line is that we would love to help you bring more customers and clients through the door. That's what we do, and we're very passionate about it. We love to work with business owners, and we love to take care of these kinds of projects for you.
Again, all you need to do is go to smartlocalconnect.com/discovery, and we will get back to you and have that discovery call where we get to know each other and see if we are a good fit. Christy, again, thanks for joining us, and to you, the listener, thank you for listening to another edition of the Smart Local Connect podcast. Have a good one, guys. Take
Have a
care.
great
Okay,
day.
bye bye.